These are the top 16 blocks that were not seen in the creative menu. First is command blocks. There's only impose, chain, and repeating. So so this one is a command block that looks like it can barely spawn itself. I don't know what. And the repeating block is this one that you can copy some commands. Uh, so the repeating is look like a normal command block that can spawn that repeats. N- Next is a jigsaw block. Well, I don't know how this works. Well, maybe we was this copies some structures like the structure block. Well, the structure block can place structures that saves, loads, or corner. I don't know what corner means. Okay. Next, we have the structure void. The structure void is look like the useless block that you couldn't touch. But look what happens if I place water into the structure void. Yep, it definitely floats. I mean, it looks like an invisible barrier. The untouchable barrier that couldn't be touched by players. Or barely you can make your base even like this. This is quite a good. Okay, so the next one is a barrier block. So the barrier is a no sign, but if you don't hold it, it disappears. Just like structure voids. But if you touch it, it looks like an invisible block. But it's more useful is to trap players. That that's how. Or you can barely prank players that you want. Next is the border. If you guys don't know this, the border is look like walls. Yep, it's just only a wall. So the border block looks like a normal wall that you can barely pass like normal. But if you turn on survival mode, you can not pass the border, just like barrier blocks. You can make this in a competition, or if you want to do anything about this one. Okay, there are two blocks, Allow and Danny. If you guys don't know these ones, Allow and Danny are these blocks that can be replaceable. Allow means you can really place in this block only, not just any of these blocks if you're in survival. But Danny, you couldn't place blocks on top of this thing, but you can really place like here, if you're in survival. So next is the frosted ice. This which is a fourth type of ice. If you place a frosted ice, nothing much of it, but it fastly melts and turns into water. Well, gonna read that. So this is how frosted ice works. So next is a petrified oak slab. Well, it's no different. Okay, I already have two options: the normal oak slab and the petrified. If I ignite this thing, it can be ignited. The chick can burn instantly. Just wait, man. So after a few seconds, it will disappear. Just wait. 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 Okay, man. Yeah, I got another. Yeah, and it totally disappears. But but if I try to ignite the petrified one, it couldn't be ignited. which you can see here. The next one is a light. So if you're in the darker spaces, you can barely use the light, which you can make a lighter spaces. But if you don't hold it, it disappears. But you can barely break it if you hold the light bulb. Whee! So there's all the blocks that we had. Now next is a secret spawn eggs. So if you guys don't know how to get one, let me show you. So I got an Ender Dragon spawn egg, the Weird spawn egg, and if you guys don't know this one, the NPC spawn egg. First is the Ender Dragon spawn egg, which you can spawn an Ender Dragon, and it still flies away. Well, next is a Wither. Okay, the Wither is trying to destroy everything. Okay, let me fix this. Gonna fix this. Ah, no, not this one. Okay, so the last spawn egg, if you guys didn't know this one, is the NPC spawn egg, which it looks like a village. It looks like a customized villager. Instead of trading it, you can barely edit it. Like editing the skin, you can barely name it or edit the dialogue. Like you can name it. Okay, so the NPC spawn egg is quite an interesting that you can use it for entering the house. Like for example, you're saying hello. Okay guys, before I show you how to get these blocks, I will show you the bonus one. The mine card with the command block, which is the repeat block is in the mine card. Well, it's just all type of repeat only. That you couldn't change to impulse or chain. So this is how to get all of these blocks and secret eggs. So the first one is a command block. Well, you have to use this code. Give. Now press this thing as command block. Well, if you want to get these three of them, you can search command block, chain command block, or repeating command block. Or you can use the minecart mode. And here, you already have a command block. So let me show you how to get the jigsaw and a structure block and even a void block. So get this one. Give as structure. You can get the structure block or structure boy. Like for example this one. Well, I got the structure boy. So getting a jigsaw is still this, the same as all of these ones. Give as jigsaw. Now you have to press the arrow and you already have it. So next is a barrier. If you want to get this one, you have to search give as barrier. And there, you already have a barrier. Or you can choose a border. Yeah, just choose a border block if you wanted. Allow and then can You can probably get Allow and Danny by using this command. Allow and Danny. Oh, not it. There. Okay, now the fourth type of ice is a frosted ice. So the frosted ice is here if you wanted to. Now the petrified oak slab. Which I don't know why it exist by, but we have to continue. So next is a light. Light. And even there's a lots of types of light. And that's all the blocks. Now next is a secret spawn egg. And the dragon, wither, and the NPC spawn egg. So you can give S and the dragon spawn egg. Or you can do this by wither. But the NPC spawn egg is hidden. Well, it may seem like it's not there, but if you use this command, you have to put the space bar 1 and do it 5-1. So if you choose this seed, you already got an NPC spawn egg. Just like this. Or you can make NPCs just or like anything. So this is how all the blocks will work. See you guys, and like and subscribe.